Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A16 and you want to make a hard reset of your device, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or any other Samsung device via wire, so it will not make an issue. So you just have to connect, and after that you can easily do this setup on your lock screen or home screen on which you want. For this you just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up. So let's see how. Just press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time until your screen goes fully black. You just have to wait for it. It will take a while, so you have to wait for this one. And this, now shift your volume down to volume up and until your logo won't come. Now release all buttons and wait for it. It will open your phone's BIOS here, and here you have to make setup. So here your touch won't work. You have to use these buttons to make setup. So let's see how. You have to use volume down to go down and volume up to move up, and select for selection you just have to press the power button. So here you have to select this option, which is wipe data factory reset. Just select this one and then press your power button to enter this, and here just select factory data reset, then press the power button. From here you just have to select the first option, which is reboot system. Now just press your power button and it will make a hard reset to your device. So after that your phone will be power on and it will delete everything from your phone. So for this you just have to make sure that you have the backup data, because it will delete everything from your phone. It might be apps, photos, videos and your accounts. So first of all you have to make backup of your data, and after doing the hard reset of your phone you'll get a fresh new startup of your device. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.